Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on an absolutely gorgeous late spring, almost summer day, looking at Lincoln right now. After some of that early morning fog, sunshine taking over, and just a gorgeous day. But boy, what a range in temperatures. So, for example, here in Lincoln, obviously not near the Atlantic Ocean, temperatures here are in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Now, you go down along the South Shore, it's a beautiful day with sunshine, folks, on the beach. But the temperature here, it's about 65 degrees, and quite simply, there's a sea breeze. So right at the water's edge, it's much cooler. You can clearly see that what we call temperature gradient. So, for example, Jamestown's at 67. You got Coventry at 80, Burrillville 82. Now, Bristol, this is kind of a bay breeze. The bay is cool. So some of these communities that have the breeze off the bay are cooler, whereas away from any water influence, the temperatures the further inland are in the upper 70s to even 80 in Coventry and Burrillville at 82, and actually getting even warmer for Wednesday. So pleasant for this evening. The first part of the night looks fine. Once again, I do expect late at night, and especially along the South Shore, for some fog to be building back in. Another nice thing, the sunsets are continuing to be later and later. Summer warmth will continue, more humid. We've got temperatures next couple of days approaching the low 80s inland, and once again 60s at the beaches and right along the immediate South Shore. Next chance of showers or even a thunderstorm would come on Thursday. Now we'll have periods of some warm sunshine here on Thursday, but also really two chances for a shower, one in the morning and a better chance of a thunderstorm in the afternoon. And the concern is that some, not all, some thunderstorms could be strong to even borderline severe Thursday afternoon. They'll be quick hitters, and so that's the next chance of kind of keeping a close eye to the sky. But it's quiet across New England with the exception of got a couple of showers and storms north of Albany, approaching, looks like Rutland, Vermont. All right, once again, overnight towards daybreak. Now, this is around 5 a.m. Wednesday. You see the low clouds and fog, but watch how rapidly it burns off by mid-morning. The last place to see the fog to lift and burn off would be along the South Shore. But even here, I do expect the visibility to improve as well, and it really turns into a pretty nice day. So for this evening, nice and pleasant with some sunshine. By 11 o'clock, start to see some coastal fog. Temperatures at that time in the upper 50s. And tomorrow morning, much like this morning, early morning clouds and fog, especially along the coastline, thinning to some sunshine. By 11 a.m., 75 degrees, and during the afternoon, just feeling like summer with lots of sunshine, temperatures approaching the lower 80s. And once again, you can see the big temperature gradient with the coastline. Nice, but cooler, probably in that 65 to 70 range right in here. Well into the 70s just inland, and then Providence points north. You get temperatures in the afternoon around 2, 3 o'clock approaching the lower 80s. Bay forecast, you've got some reduced visibility early in the morning, improving by noontime. Southwest breeze at about 10 to 15 knots.